Life Science, Paper 2, Year 2013. Question number 1. An amino acid with 4 nitrogen atoms is arginine. Question number 2. An example for a basic buffer is Tris buffer. Question number 3. One of the following parameters determines the efficiency of enzyme catalysis. Low Km upon K catalyst, Kcat. Question number 4. The condition required for complete denaturation of protein containing disulfide bridges is SDS and mercaptoethanol. Question number 5. ZDNA form is found in methylated CG repeats under high salt concentration. Question number 6. The central role in membrane biosynthesis is played by endoplasmic reticulum. Question number 7. Catalase is present in high level in peroxisomes. Question number 8. Neurons in adult brain are said to be quiescent because they are locked in G0 phase. G0 phase. Question number 9. Cyclic AMP activates glycogenolysis by activating phosphorylase B kinase. Question number 10. Radiation tolerance in Deinococcus radiodurans is due to efficient repairing of fragmented DNA. Question number 11. The classical experiments to demonstrate the split gene concept involved beta globin gene of human hemoglobin. Question number 12. The sequence of one strand of DNA is 5' TCGA TC3 3 prime. The sequence complementary strand would be 5 prime GA TCGA 3 prime. You have to read it inverse in anti-parallel manner. So it will start from here 3 prime. Here it will be 5 prime. Here it will come G and here it will be A. Question number 13. Which one of the following amino acid is incorporated during translation into proteins and is not a component of genetic code? Selenocysteine. It's selenocysteine. Question number 14. One of the following enzymes is not involved in lagging strand DNA synthesis. Helicase. Question number 15. RNA editing is incorporation of specific nucleotides in mRNA. Question number 16. The protein molecules responsible for binding the epithelial cells to the basal laminar are laminin. Question number 17. One of the following is not associated with apoptosis. Cathepsin D is not associated with apoptosis. Question number 18. Which one of the following immunoglobulin heavy chain does not have the hinge region? It is IgE. Question number 19. Hyaluronidase assists spread of microbes by breaking hyaluronic acid that binds cells together. Question number 20. Which of the following does not have lymphoid lineage? It is basophils. Question number 21. Abdominal A and abdominal B genes in Drosophila represent bithorax complex of homeobox genes. Question number 22. Neoteny is found in the life of amphibians inhabiting in pond water of high altitudes because of deficiency of iodine in water. Question number 23. Progressive developmental genesis occurring in a zygote of multicellular animals are called epigenesis. Question number 24. Induction of floral development from vegetative state requires specific duration of day and night. Question number 25. The process of senescence is triggered by abscisic acid and ethylene. All these are growth promoters, and these two are growth inhibitors. They will trigger senescence or aging. Question number 26. Which of the following proteins associated with photosystem in plants is very unstable? PS2 complex, photosystem 2, or P680. Question number 27. Glycine decarboxylase in plants is localized in mitochondria. Question number 28. Tryptophan is the precursor of auxin. Question number 29. The protons required for nitrogen fixation by diazotropes are generally obtained from water. Question number 30. Stomata open when guard cells become more turgid because of influx of potassium followed by entry of water. Question number 31. Which one of the following digestive secretions lack enzymes? Bile juice. Question number 32. If diameter of the afferent and efferent arterioles would be same in glomeruli, then filtration process will not occur. Question number 33. Purkinje fibers are they are muscle fibers. Question number 34. An HFR bacterium is one that contains a plasmid integrated into its chromosome. Question number 35. The sex determination factors referred to as TDF and TDY are found respectively in man and rat. Question number 36. Down syndrome is caused due to which of the following mutations? It's 3 and 4, that is translocation and trisomy. Question number 37. Which one of these animals is taxonomically odd? Sea pen. Because sea pen belongs to the phylum Coelenterata and all others are Echinodermata. Question number 38. Which of the class of protozoans contains both contractile vacuole and pseudopodium? It is Sporozoa. Question number 39. 16S rRNA is present in 30S ribosomal subunit. Question number 40. Pelvic ulcers are caused by Helicobacter pylori. Question number 41. Which of the following produce diploid spores? Rusts and smuts. Question number 42. The great Indian bustard prefers this habitat. It's grassy plains. Question number 43. Soil component humus is composed of organic matter that resists decay. Question number 44. Ligase chain reaction LCR is used for the detection of point mutations. Question number 45. Lamarck's theory of inheritance of acquired characters was challenged by. This theory was challenged by August Weismann. Question number 46. Zymomonas mobilis can be used for the fermentation production of ethanol. Question number 47. The single cell protein quaron is produced by Fusarium graminearum. Question number 48. Which one of molecular localization cannot be achieved by immunofluorescent technique? Specific mRNA molecules. Question number 49. Ampholites are used in one of the following separation techniques. Ampholites are used in isoelectric focusing. Last question, question number 50 for paper 2. In an experiment, the SE value of the data was found to be high with respect to mean. The number of experiments to decrease the SE value of half is. The answer is 4. And that's all for today's episode. Take care and have a nice time.